So just a quick update on a small job on a big car we've done here at Carbonwurks. So 2015, one of the last out of the off-the-line Defenders, which has been in for an urban stainless bolt kit. So although it's one of the newest one of its kind, it's already showing signs of bits of corrosion and rust kicking in, mostly on the fixing side of things. So much like our engine bay dress kits, we've done an external dress kit from Urban on this Defender. So Tim will enter all the B-roll now, but you'll see that the original steel, they're probably zinc plated bolts, have started to succumb to whether it's the TFR or whatever comes down from the sky in the rain, is now starting to make all the bolts corrode, albeit they're only about 8 years old. So what we've been given and what we've done for one of the guys on the industrial estate here is fitted a full stainless kit to all the hinges, bonnet, doors and rear door or boot, have you look at it, in rear cross member connection. So that will now provide a shiny, untarnished finish for life on account of it being stainless. So nothing to worry about moving forward, and should they ever need to be removed, it should also not be a problem. But we think it totally uplifts the outside of the car. It's got rid of a couple quite crusty, quite corroded bolts. So this grey car no longer has brown accents, it's got shiny silver ones. So just to give you an idea, we are literally open to doing pretty much anything here at Carbonwurks, as long as it's got 4 wheels, 5 if you include the steering wheel, 6 if you include the one on the rear door I had to lift off a minute ago. So hit us up by email or DMs, anything, any vehicular requirements you might have, we can get you sorted out. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for the next video.